In this video, we will discuss about two more logical operator of SQL, that is in and between. So for using this operator, we have to first use the table. So we have a table name product with our database data B. So I just write select star from product. So when I'm just selecting this product, you can see how many fields do we have in this product. So we have near about 5 fields in the product, that is PID, category, subcategory, product name and sales. So as you can see that the categories are furniture, office appliances and technology. And in the furniture category there are multiple subcategories like bookcases, chairs, then tables, then we have furnishings and many more. So here I want to generate a query in such a way that I get the detail of all the PID, category, subcategory, product name and sales of the table product, where category name is furniture but subcategory name is of my choices and not restricted to one subcategory. There may be multiple choices of my choice. For that I am using the query using the logical operator name n, for which I will write select star from product where subcategory in, and in bracket I will specify the subcategories name which I want to get in a result. So it is tables and it is chairs. Okay, so I will write two subcategory. I want to see the result of two subcategory of a furniture, and for that I am using the clause name n. I can use many more other also. If I want to see other details also, I can see that also. So you can see that I get only the details of chairs and tables. So you can see again this in furniture, suppose I just want to see the details of bookcases also. So I just simply here write bookcases. So I will get the details of bookcases also. So as many as number of options in subcategory you want to see of your choice, you can use in operator and can see the details here. So this is how we are using the in operator. Now we come to the next operator, that is use of a between. You can see that in this table, when we are seeing this table, the last column is sales. So you can see the sales may be of minimum or maximum, but I want to see the sales of some specific range. Okay, so for that, to get the result in between some specific range, we use between clause. Suppose here you can see one sale is of 261, one is 731, one is 14.62, one is 957. So there are number of sales, so 1706. So I want to see the sales between 911 to 1706. How many sales does occur in the in this table? So I just write select star from product and I have to see the specific range. So where sales is, I will write between and I want to see the sales between 907 I will write between 907 and 1706. This is a range between which how many sale has been occurred I want to see. So I will just write this query, and you can see that I have got some near about 6 rows in which this amount of sale has been done. So you know that in as a shorthand to give the multiple choices of your choice and query, and between is to get the query between some ranges. I hope so this concept is clear for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.